Unlocking the Meaning of Earn Rate, a comprehensive guide. Hello, dear viewers and language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, earn rate. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can really help you in both your professional and personal life. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. The term, earn rate, refers to the speed or efficiency at which something is earned or accumulated. This could apply to money, points in a reward program, or any other resource. It's important to understand that earn rate is not just about the amount being earned, but also how quickly or efficiently it is being earned. 2.1 in finance. In the financial world, earn rate could refer to the interest earned on an investment over a specific period of time. For example, if you have a savings account, the earn rate would be the percentage of interest that you earn on your deposited money. 2.2 in loyalty programs. Many companies have loyalty or reward programs where you earn points for making purchases. Here, the earn rate would refer to how many points you earn per dollar spent. A higher earn rate means you are accumulating points more quickly. 2.3 in gaming. In the gaming world, earn rate might refer to how quickly a player can earn points, experience, or other in-game resources. A higher earn rate usually means the player is progressing through the game more efficiently. To solidify your understanding, let's look at a few examples of how earn rate might be used in sentences. The earn rate on this savings account is fantastic. I'm earning interest faster than I expected. I decided to switch to a different credit card because the earn rate on points was much better. After practicing for weeks, I finally increased my earn rate in the game, and I'm leveling up much faster now. And there we have it. A detailed look at the phrase, earn rate, and its various applications. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this term for you. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your proficiency in English and help you communicate more effectively. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.